Good morning everyone, I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. It's actually a surprisingly sunny morning here. We were expecting it to rain, but I think it's going to rain later today, and then the rest of the week looks really good. So I'm hoping that the real start of summer is about to begin. But we live in England, that's probably hoping for a bit too much, isn't it? But anyway, today I thought I would film a what I eat in a day. I haven't done one of these for so long, but I thought a pregnancy what I eat in a day could be quite interesting. So it's breakfast time. I'm going to put together some breakfast in a minute. I feel like with pregnancy, people ask you a lot what your cravings are, and often, you know, it's that kind of cliche thing like you want to eat chocolate covered pickles or something really random. But I feel like actually sometimes with pregnancy, I mean I'm sure everyone's different, but me, it can sometimes be like I really don't fancy anything, and I can find it a real struggle to know what I want to eat, and then all of a sudden they'll be like, oh, I really fancy like this specific thing, and then I want to eat that for a few days, and then I just don't want it anymore. So yeah, it can be really random, but I'm going to show you a breakfast that I have been loving. It's nothing like groundbreaking, but I've tried to make this video a little bit more interesting than just, you know, eating a bowl of Cocoa Pops or something. But yeah, this is something that I've been loving for breakfast and also as a snack for a little while now, and it's so nice. So let's make breakfast. So for breakfast, I'm gonna have some yogurt with some fruit, and to make it a little bit more breakfasty, I'm gonna add in some granola as well. I'd say if I've been craving anything during this pregnancy, it's probably been strawberries. I absolutely love them, and any berries really. I just love strawberries this time of year, taste so incredible, and then they're really sweet, and then the blueberries, yeah, that's what they are, okay? Blueberries are like really tangy, so they taste so nice together. This is a Yeo Valley Greek style honey yogurt, so I could probably go with a plain one so it hasn't got so much sugar in it, but it's really nice. And then some Jordan's granola with a hint of honey. So I'm just gonna put this together now, and I cannot wait to eat this. There we go, so that's my breakfast for this morning. I'm so excited to eat this. I probably made it look a little bit more aesthetically pleasing than I would have if I wasn't filming, if I'm completely honest. I would have probably just chucked it all in the bowl. But you want to see food presented nicely if you're watching a video about food, don't you? Not just sloshed in a bowl. It just reminds me of, do you watch Jen Im? She does amazing videos, but she does a lot of what I eat in a day or what I eat in a week videos. Oh, she is so cute. I actually love watching her videos. She makes the most incredible dishes. I'll link her below because, yeah, I'm sure you'll absolutely love her, and she makes things like a lot more aesthetically pleasing than me. She's pregnant as well, actually. But yeah, every time she has a mouthful of her food, she's like, like she loves it so much. So I'm not sure I can be that as enthusiastic as her, but I'm gonna try my breakfast now anyway. Strawberries are just so good at this time of the year. So nice. Let's have some granola. Right, so it's a little bit later now. It's lunchtime, or it's actually past lunchtime, but I've just been doing some work and stuff like that, and I got a bit distracted. But I'm gonna make my lunch now. I'm sorry if there's a lot of background noise. This kitchen is very old, and the boiler makes a really loud noise. The fridge is going, I think the washing machine's going. All those kind of everyday washing machine life noises are in the background. I've actually just been filming, labelling up these. How cute are these? So I put all of my spices and things like that into these jars now and labelled them. Just trying to manifest that one day, hopefully soon, we'll have our dream kitchen, and I can have a little pantry or a little pantry cupboard with all nice pots and yeah, that kind of thing. But anyway, so I just thought I would do that. And our HelloFresh box has arrived for the week. So we're really proud to be working with HelloFresh again. As you guys know, I speak about them quite a lot because we buy their boxes all of the time. We have so many, hundreds and hundreds of recipe cards, because we truly do love HelloFresh and the service that they offer, and we've always found it really, really good. So we're gonna have a HelloFresh meal tonight for dinner. So this is what the box looks like. I've just started unpacking it, and these are our recipe cards. So we either tend to get 3 meals a week or 4. This week we've got 3. So we've got this delicious looking honey mustard sausages, which I think the boys will really love. We've got a bacon and butternut squash risotto. Oh my God, I love a risotto, but bacon and butternut squash sounds amazing. And I couldn't help it. I think I got this in the last vlog where I mentioned HelloFresh as well. It's the Thai style pork rice bowl, because it is my favourite dish ever. So I'm really glad we got this one this week as well. So yeah, I always look forward to one of their meals because they always just taste so good. They're just full of flavour, and I feel like I've said this before, but when we make meals, sometimes they can end up being a little bit bland, but all of these meals just have so much great flavour and taste in them. So that's one of the reasons why we always come back to it. We always repurchase the boxes, and why we always recommend it, basically. But anyway, it's lunchtime now. I'm going to cook that obviously later on this evening for dinner. But I'm gonna go on to my lunch, and then later on I'll show you that, and also give you a special discount code if you were interested in trying HelloFresh. So look out for that at the end of the video, and it will also be in the description box below. Okay, so for my lunch I'm gonna have some really nice seeded bread. Might toast this with mashed up avocado. I know like avocado on toast is very Instagrammy, but I do have this all of the time because I really love it. And then I'm going to have it with some sun-dried tomatoes, olives and feta, because at the moment I'm really loving like grazing boards, but obviously being pregnant I can't eat all the cold meats and stuff, so that's a bit of a shame. But I can cope with like certain cheeses olives, you know, things like this, kind of get me through and kind of like help that craving. But I cannot wait till the day I can have like a full like anything on the grazing board without having to restrict it. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to put this all together now and finally eat some lunch. So lunch is ready. I forgot to mention that I'm trying to, well, I'm not necessarily trying to be super healthy, but obviously want to try and be as healthy as possible. So most of the time I'm just drinking sparkling water, because I'm not the biggest fan of plain water, but sparkling water is good. And the avocado is a little bit too ripe to mush up. Why do I keep saying mush? To mash up. So I did my little pulley blender thing, and it's kind of just made everything into like really small little pieces. So yeah, I think this looks really, really tasty. So I'm gonna give it a go, even though I know what it tastes like, obviously. It's really nice to have it on some like posh bread, because often I'll just have it on like 50-50 or brown bread or something, but this is really nice. I didn't toast it in the end, but you could do if you wanted to. Right, so it's evening now and the boys are back from school. We're about to start cooking dinner. I've actually got Rick with me, and he is gonna cook dinner tonight. And we've decided to go for the bacon and butternut squash risotto. I'm really excited about this. So obviously I've mentioned it before, but if you haven't heard of HelloFresh, then you get the delivery box with the meals that you have selected for that week, arrive at your door, and everything is kind of like pre-proportioned. So you can choose how many people you want it for, 2, 3, 4, etc. And you get the perfect amount of food for that meal. So we've just laid it all out. Here's butternut squash, and everything just looks so nice, and it always arrives really lovely and fresh. And something else I love about it is the flexibility as well. You can actually, if you're going away somewhere, maybe you're going for a staycation and it's self-catering, you can change the address to be, for your box to be delivered to your holiday, which I think is really cool. Or if this summer you're having friends over and you want to cook for more people than usual, you can increase how many people your box will feed. So yeah, there are so many plus points to HelloFresh. I have also been given a discount code. If you use the code COOKWithKate, you'll get 50% off your first box and 35% off your next 3 boxes after that. So if you've been thinking about trying it, definitely take advantage of that offer because it's a really good deal and you can see what you think. And of course you can go onto the website and see all of the different options they have for like rapid meals, vegetarian options, family favourites. There are loads, so I'll leave all of the information for you in the description box below. Oh, it looks so nice.
It's lovely with that lemon.
It looks really summery, but it's still like a cosy, hearty meal as well. It's the evening now. I'm slightly whispering because the boys are in bed asleep. But I wanted to show you what will probably be, I would say, the last thing I'm going to eat today. So sorry if it's a little bit boring and repetitive, but I just decided to have some more yogurt and strawberries because they were both going to like go bad if I left them much longer. So I thought I would have that as a little evening snack. I've just come up the stairs and I'm out of breath. But I've just come upstairs, I've lit my little candle. I'm gonna do a bit of work and watch Love Island and have a semi-relaxing evening. So yeah, sorry it's a bit dark. I'm literally by candlelight and my light up there. I'm gonna show you our new room soon, hopefully. Just waiting for a few more things to be finished and then I can share it with you. But anyway, that's beside the point. Yeah, I might have a glass of milk before I go to bed because I find that really helps with heartburn. I have been getting a bit of heartburn. Luckily, like fruit and things doesn't seem to cause it. But yeah, someone will probably tell me this is the wrong thing to have, but milk just before I go to sleep really is seeming to help at the moment. So yeah, I might have a glass of milk as well, but that's everything I've had today. I haven't really snacked that much because I found that all the meals I've had today have been very filling. And I don't know whether it's because the baby's up quite high at the minute, but I just feel quite full a lot of the time. It's hard to eat a big meal. So anyway, I've rambled on for long enough. I hope you enjoyed this what I ate in a day. I'll come around here a little bit, hopefully. That's a bit better, isn't it? Sorry. So anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this what I ate in a day whilst pregnant. If you did, I would love it if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. And I'll be back with another video very soon. Night, guys.